Hello everyone. Welcome to the solution of LeetCode problem 137 named single number 2. In this problem, we are given an integer array where every element appears 3 times except for one element. And this one element appears exactly one time. Now, we have to find the single element and we have to return it. Now, we must implement a solution with a linear runtime complexity and use only constant extra spaces. This is the main criteria. Now here in the first example, we can see that the element 3 appears one time. So we have to return 3. And in the example 2, we can say that the value 99 appears one time. But both of the values 0 and 1 appears 3 times. So here we have to return 99. Now, I hope you understood the problem statement. Now let's move on to the algorithm. Now here, to understand the algorithm, we have taken 3 examples. This is the first examples. This array contains 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, and 99. This is the second example. This array contains 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and 2. This is the third examples. Here, this array contains 0, 0, 2, 2, 1, 2, 0. Now here, let's apply the sorting operations. If we sort the first array, the array will become 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, and 99. So here we can see that it can be possible that the single element can be the last element of our array. So this is one case after sorting. Now, if we sort the second array, the array will become 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2. Now, again, it can be possible that the single element can be the first element of the array. And this is second case. Now, in the third case, it can be possible that the single element can be in between of the array element. So here we have to check 3 things. At first, we can check these 2 conditions using by only big O of 1 runtime. We can simply check whether the last element is not equal to the previous element or not. If it is not equal to the previous element, that means the last element is our desired output. Whether we have to check whether the first element is not equal to the second element. If the first element is not equal to the second element, which is in this case, we have to return the first element. Otherwise, we have to run a loop from the second element to the second last element. And we have to check whether any of the corresponding element is not equal to its next element and is not equal to its previous element. So here we can see that 1 is not equal to its previous element 0, and similarly 1 is not equal to the next element 2. So here we have to simply return this respective element. In this case, it is 1. So here we can run this loop by using big O and runtime, and we do not use any of the extra spaces here. So the overall space complexity of this program is big O of 1. I hope you understood the algorithm. Now let's move on to the code. So here the code is pretty simple. At first we are given a function named single number. Now here we have performed the sorting operations. So now we have to check whether the length of the array is less than 3 or not. If the length of the array is less than 3, that means we have to return the first element. Otherwise, we have to check whether the first element is not equal to the second element or not. Here, we have to return the first element, and we have to check whether the last element is not equal to the second last element or not. If it is, that means we have to return the last element. Otherwise, we have to run a loop from second element to the second last element, and we have to check whether current element is not equal to its previous element and is not equal to its next element. If it is, we have to return the current element. I hope you understood the code. Thank you everyone for watching this video. We will get back soon with another LeetCode solution.